Welcome! In this session we will learn how to switch categorical variables into numerical ones. So we are here in R, and I want you to notice that some of the variables in our credit cards data frame are categoricals. You can see the variable region is a character and also branch is a character. And we have to change these variables into numericals in order to construct our neural network. So that's what we will learn in this session. In order to do that, let's first see the values that such variables take with the function unique. So let's write unique. We open parentheses and we write the name of the variable. In this case will be the first one, region. Credit cards with the sign of dollar, region. We press enter. And we can see there what are the values that region takes. So we have BB, DD, EE, GG. Obviously, I have used or I have changed the original names of the regions in order or for confidentiality purpose. Now let's switch or change these categorical variables into numerical ones. And we are going to use the function switch, and we are going to apply it to all the vector with the function sapply. So we will write credit cards, sign of dollar, region equals to, we are going to use the function sapply to apply the function switch to all the vector without using the for loop. So we write again the name of the variable, credit cards dot region. We're going to use the name, we're going to write the name of the function. In this case is the function switch. And then we are going to write all the variables that we want to change. So we will assign a 1 to BB, comma, to DD we will assign a 2, equals to 2, comma, to EE we are going to assign a 3. I'm going to press Shift Enter to go to the other line. Then to GG we are going to assign a 4, number 4. To FF we're going to assign the number 5. To CC we're going to assign the number 6. To AA we are going to assign the number 7. And finally to HH, to double H, we're going to assign the number 8. Now we can press enter, and you can see here that the variable region are now named numbers. So we have numbers here. We can change these to numbers with an additional step later. Now let's do the same with the variable branch. Let's write unique, we open parentheses, credit cards, sign of dollar, branch, to see what are the values that the variable branch has. And we can see all the variables that the variable branch take. You will notice that instead of an F, I have used a triple F, and that's because when you use just an F, generally you will get an error, because R generally use the F for a function, and generally you will get an error when you use an F as a value of a variable. So try to avoid the value F, just as an advice. Now let's switch. Let's use the function sapply to apply the function switch to the vector branch. So we will write credit cards, the sign of dollar, branch equals to the function sapply. Then we write again the name of the vector, credit cards, the sign of dollar, branch. Then we write the name of the function that we want to apply, which is switch. I want that R suggests the function. And now we have to list all the variables that we want to do, all the values that we want to switch. So we will switch the value n for a 1, the value m for a 2, the value a for a 3, Then I press Shift Enter to go to the other line. The value D for a 4, the value C for equals 5, the value E equals 6, the value B equals 7, the value triple F, to avoid an error, equals 8, the value G equals 9, comma, Shift Enter, so we go to the other line, the value H for 10, the value I for an 11, the value K for a 12, the value L for a 13, and finally the value J, we switch it for a 14. Then we press Enter, and we can notice here on the global environment that the variable branch is now a named number. So we have switched both variables into numbers. Now, as a final step, we are going to change the both variables to numerics. We have named numbers, but we have actual numbers. So we will write here credit cards, the sign of dollar, region equals to as dot numeric credit cards, the sign of dollar, region. We press Enter, and now you can see here that region is a number now. It is not a named number, but a number. And let's do the same for branch. Credit cards, the sign of dollar, branch, I'm going to copy paste this, equals to as dot numeric, we open parentheses, credit cards branch, we press Enter, and you can notice that branch is also a number. With this, we are finishing this session. Thanks for watching.